Have you ever wondered if SoFi, that popular online banking platform, offers joint accounts? It's a common question, especially for couples, roommates, or business partners who want to share finances. Let's dive into the details and find out if SoFi has your back when it comes to joint accounts. SoFi has gained a reputation for its user-friendly interface, competitive rates, and various financial products. But does it extend its offerings to include joint accounts, a feature that many people find essential for managing shared finances? The joint account dilemma. Before we explore SoFi's stance on joint accounts, let's understand why they're so important. Joint accounts provide a convenient way to pool money, make joint purchases, and manage shared expenses. They're particularly useful for couples who are planning their finances together or for business partners who need a central account for their operations. SoFi's stance on joint accounts. So, does SoFi offer joint accounts? Unfortunately, as of now, they do not. While SoFi provides a range of financial products, including individual savings and checking accounts, personal loans, and investing options, joint accounts are not currently part of their lineup. Why no joint accounts? It's natural to wonder why SoFi hasn't implemented joint accounts. There could be several reasons for this. Technical limitations. SoFi may be facing technical challenges or limitations in their existing platform that prevent them from offering joint accounts. Regulatory hurdles. There might be regulatory hurdles or compliance issues that SoFi needs to address before introducing joint accounts. Market research. They may be conducting market research to determine the demand for joint accounts among their customer base. Alternatives to SoFi for joint accounts. If you're looking for a financial platform that offers joint accounts, here are some alternatives you might consider. Traditional banks. While they may not have the same sleek interface as SoFi, traditional banks often provide robust joint account features. Online banks. Other online banks like Ally Bank, Chime, and Capital One offer joint accounts with various benefits. Neobanks. Neobanks like Revolut and N26 have gained popularity for their innovative features and often include joint account options. While SoFi doesn't currently offer joint accounts, it's worth keeping an eye on their future plans. They may introduce this feature in the future as they expand their product offerings and respond to customer demand. So, to answer the question, no, SoFi does not offer joint accounts at this time. While this might be disappointing for those seeking a joint account solution, there are other excellent options available. If you're a SoFi customer, you can continue to enjoy their other products while keeping an eye out for any future announcements regarding joint accounts. If you're interested in exploring joint account options, be sure to research the different platforms available and compare their features, fees, and benefits. And if you have any questions or experiences with joint accounts, feel free to share them in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.